BBC Repair Shop, watch out! From this to this, the story of the Lesley Comma pickup truck Mark 8 restoration. If you wanted to restore your very own Lesley toy comma pickup truck Mark 8, I've generously included a version which you can print, cut out and stick together.